Hi everybody, my name is Tom Solid and I welcome you to this quick tip video. Quick tip videos are videos where I will just answer a question you asked visually. It is just easier sometimes to ask it this way rather than writing everything down. So where do you ask these questions? You're asking them in Tom Solid's Paperless Movement Facebook group. You will find the link in the description below. Awesome community in there, very fast answers, but as I said, sometimes I will just pick one of these questions and answer them via YouTube, just to show you how things work. So the question I want to answer today is from Steve Tone. Let's just dive in what he was asking for. So as you can see here, Steve Tone was asking, does anyone know of a stand for an iPad Pro that will elevate the rear of the iPad by 15 degrees or so in a portrait orientation for more comfortable writing? My case has a fold-up triangle that does that in a landscape orientation, but I prefer to write in portrait orientation. So Steve, that's perfectly fine to ask this, because actually it wasn't easy to answer this question, okay? There are loads of cases out there that allows you to angle your iPad. So you know the iPad case I recommend here is this one. So you can just fold it and you have it like this, and it's perfectly for writing. But it is obviously in landscape mode. Okay. So if you want to write something in portrait, you have to put something underneath or something like that. But I found a solution for you, and I made a very short video that I will show you here. So here you can see the iPad stand I'm having here. It's just foldable and everything, and usually you just put your iPad just in landscape mode onto the stand. That's what it's for actually, but I found a way that you can use it just just in portrait mode. Just fold it or close it totally, put on your iPad, and there you go. It's about 15 degrees, isn't it? That's what you're looking for, but even more. You can just adjust the stand and use the portrait mode in even different angles. So I think this is more than you've been asking for. Steve, I hope you are happy with the answer. I think this is more than you've been asking for. You've been asking for something that is reliable and in 15 degrees, but this makes it even more flexible for you. And I think many of you out there have been thinking about this as well. There's this little discussion going on, in which format are you using your iPad Pro? So as you can see in my shop, I'm selling the journal, the digital journal, where you can just write down and jump around in the months and days and so on. You can just import this journal into your Notability, note shelf and so on. But I offered it in portrait mode, but obviously there are many out there wanting it in landscape mode as well. And I can tell you from the selling numbers that it's nearly equal. Yeah, 50-50. Landscape and portrait mode, people have just their preferences, and that's totally fine. And I'm here to provide you the things you need to go perfectly easy paperless the way you want it. Okay, if you have another question, just jump over to the Facebook group, ask your question, and maybe it's something worth to visualize. See you next time.